From the Cabbage Town Boxing Club, weighing in at 145 pounds. Sorry, 87 pounds. We have Salim Bagalov. And making their way, hopefully, to the red corner.
Good job right there. That was a knockout.
Давай, Salim! Давай, сядь! Татма сядь! Ăn được cái Salim đã cơ quý.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's just take a quick moment to thank some of our sponsors here this evening. The Amherstburg Arena, M&M Meats here in Amherstburg, the Bellwood Poultry Farm, Ken Thrasher, Cash Money.
I don't know. Salim, uppercut! Tell him to finish it. Tell him just last time you lose it. Ouais, Salim, quoi cuire? Ouais, Salim, quoi cuire?
as we await the decision. And the winner goes to the blue corner, Celine Valdemar. Congratulations, Celine.
No sweat, no smoke, less. I must progress, my destiny manifests. This is vortex, steps out the jet like I'm all that. Back
Good fight, baby. It's a good fight. They both had a good fight. It was nice. Busy for boys. It was nice, huh? At that age, I was like, wow, this guy's oh wow. Yeah, it does. You know, that's the main thing, right? All good things happen.